Here's a hack on how you can save $875 when it comes to your LLC in California. I'm Camelia. I'm an attorney for business owners, and filing LLCs is one of our specialties here at Imani Law. Before I talk about the $800 franchise tax, let me tell you how you can save $75 on your California LLC. In about 8 days, on July 1st, 2023, the state of California is going to increase their filing fee for filing your LLC in California. So if you know that you're going to get an LLC anyway, or any type of business entity, you might as well file before July 1st so that you can save the $75. Why waste $75 if you can just do it now and save that money? And this $75 increase also applies to corporations and professional corporations. So now, what about the $800? It's true. In California, every single LLC needs to pay a franchise tax fee of $800. And it doesn't matter how much your LLC makes in the year, you still need to pay that $800. However, the state of California has waived this $800 fee for the first year of having your LLC. But they're not going to waive the $800 fee forever. So if you're looking to file an LLC, and if you have a business, you should have some sort of a business entity established. There's no better time than now. If you want to get started on the LLC process for your business, our law firm can take care of the entire process for you, as well as legally advise you on what your business specifically needs. Let's get you legally protected, and feel free to follow for more tips.